Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.